ArtSea, and today I'm going to be doing an intermediate balisong tutorial on the trick called the Fakeout. And this is really similar to the index rollover and starts in the same position as the Zen rollover, so I would suggest you learn those first. They're in the description below and they're up above. I'll show you fast and then I'll show you slow, so here is fast. Okay, so in order to do the fake out, you're going to start by holding it in the position you would for the Zen rollover, and that's by the safe handle. And instead of going like this, you're going to fake someone out and you're going to go the opposite way. So I would just practice that for a second. Just practice going out like this. So you're going to push it towards you and go out, away from your body. And then once you get that down, you're going to learn how to roll it and do a reverse index rollover. That's what this trick is. So you're going to go like that. I would practice just going like that at first. That's not a full index rollover, that's just half. So what you do is you go out, then you have the handle come here, you have your index finger here, your middle finger here, and then you just go here. So just practice that. Okay, so after you have this down, you're going to try and have the knife go fully around your finger this way, and you're going to catch it. Do you see what I did there? I caught the knife on the outside with my thumb and my index finger right here, and then this is where you end the trick, and you just flip up, and you'll be in the same position you started in. So that's how the trick ends. It's a quick flip up, so it looks smooth. And so you're going to go out, around, catch it, and flip up. So you're going to go around, and then catch it here, and then flip up. But in the middle of the trick, you are going to have to let go of the knife and have momentum carry it. So it'll eventually look like this. Yeah, it's a really quick trick, but hopefully you know the index rollover and Zen rollover before you learn it. Please like, subscribe, and comment any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them.